This video I will show you how to use Jigsaw Puzzle application. Firstly, you have to go to Play Store to download Jigsaw Puzzle application. After you have downloaded, click into the Jigsaw Puzzle application. Go to Create Your Puzzle and then choose the photo that you wish to create into a puzzle. After that, you can press Start Play, and this is how you can play your puzzle. Just click onto the picture to turn the puzzle into different direction. You can also zoom in to make the picture looks bigger and clearer. After that, you can continue to carry on to do another set of puzzle using different types of picture. Okay, after you have done with all the puzzle pictures, you can now let your children to play the game. Okay, your student can press in any puzzle pictures that you have created, and they can start to play with their own pace. After they have completed, it will show out the duration that they used to complete one puzzle pictures. And then they can play again with another set